Do. I always do my homework. I always do my homework. Play. Let's play basketball. Let's play basketball. Have. I have 2 pets. I have 2 pets. Swim. We swim in the lake every summer. We swim in the lake every summer. Tell. She tells a fun story. She tells a fun story. Paint. She paints a bright sun on the canvas. She paints a bright sun on the canvas. Use. I use my phone for everything. I use my phone for everything. Make. He makes coffee every morning. He makes coffee every morning. Want. They want to visit new cities. They want to visit new cities. Cook. I love to cook pasta. I love to cook pasta. Draw. He draws different shapes. He draws different shapes. See. She sees through binoculars. She sees through binoculars. Fly. The boy flies a kite. The boy flies a kite. Smell. The flower smells sweet. The flower smells sweet. Find. She finds answers in the book. She finds answers in the book. Cry. The baby started to cry when it was hungry. The baby started to cry when it was hungry. Take. She takes pictures with her camera. She takes pictures with her camera. Help. The boy helps the old woman. The boy helps the old woman. Get. Can you get the book for me? Can you get the book for me? Sleep. I always sleep early on weekdays. I always sleep early on weekdays. Ask. She asks the audience something. She asks the audience something. Give. He gives me a document. He gives me a document. Jump. The kids love to jump on the trampoline. The kids love to jump on the trampoline. Drink. He likes to drink coffee in the morning. He likes to drink coffee in the morning. Eat. He prefers to eat healthy food. He prefers to eat healthy food. Work. They work hard every day. They work hard every day. Look. She looks at the clipboard. She looks at the clipboard. Go. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. Think. He thinks about the future. He thinks about the future.